Are you in the age bracket of 40 to 45? Well, you might be experiencing some changes in your periods. Whether you're going into menopause or not is always a question in the back of your mind. Today we'll be talking about what to expect when you're going towards menopause and how to take care of yourself. Menopause is the phase in life in which the periods stop coming at least for 1 full year. So when a lady does not get periods for 1 full year, then she's said to have gone into menopause. In this phase, a lot of changes happen in the body. She might experience mood changes, she might experience changes in her health, weight gain, body pains, leg pains, might not be able to cope up with the stress in life. So all these things, she does definitely need some help. First important thing is moral support and family support. If the family is ready to support the patient, then she can go through very easily. But it is always also better to seek some medical help if you find some changes which are unexpected. For example, if after menopause bleeding starts to happen again, then it definitely needs to be evaluated. If you feel that the bleeding is happening every 2 to 3 months, irregularly, the bleeding is more, sometimes it is less, it needs to be checked. We cannot ignore that. It's very important to get an ultrasound done, to go to a gynecologist, and if required, to get a biopsy done. In the menopausal phase, it is important to get an ultrasound done at least once a year, to get a pap smear done at least once in 3 years, and to also get a breast examination and breast mammography done at least once in 2 years. Menopause is the phase in which these things can get affected, and if there is any change, the patient needs immediate attention. It's very important for her to have some regular yoga, some meditation and some exercise so that she can cope up with the stress in life. She also needs calcium and high protein diet. On top of that, her blood pressure needs to be monitored. In menopause, the patient tends to gain weight, her cholesterol tends to rise, her blood pressure tends to rise. In these situations, she needs a medical help, she needs some medicines which can help her bring these things back to normal. For any further information, do contact us. Thank you.